Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Sonic Frontiers crashing on graphics menu option, or the option is when you're trying to navigate it's not working or can't change graphics option due to the crash. So I'll show you right now. I open the game, and if I go to the graphics, as you can see this is the options, and here I am not able to navigate to either sound or graphics. I can't even select this. See, I am not able to select this, and also for some users they are not able to select these, as well as they are getting crashed when they are trying to click on these one. So how we can fix this up? So I'll show you how to fix this up. Let's move to the workaround. So the first step, when you are having this issue, what you have to do is just have to run the game on dedicated graphics card. That is what you have to do. For that, you just have to go over here in the search, and you have to search for graphics setting. You have to search for graphics setting. So I'll search for graphics setting. Just click on this one, and when you click on this one, you will be able to see I have already very recently added some of the games. So you have to add the game. So you have to browse it. For browsing, you should be knowing where the game is installed, or else you will not be able to do this. So you have to know where the game is installed. So I'll show you. In my case, it is on local disk C. So if it is on local disk D, or it depends upon your PC or laptop, but here in my case it's local disk C. So I have to click on browse. Now on the browse, I just have to go to this PC. Like I said, it is on local disk C, so I just have to click on this one. Now from here I have to go to program files 86. Now from here I have to scroll down and navigate to Steam. I have to scroll down and navigate to Steam. Now I just have to navigate to Steam apps, select Steam apps. Now I just have to select to common, then I just have to select Sonic Frontiers from here, the folder. Now I just have to select this one, and I have to go for add. Right now, as you can see, it is added. Okay, so now what you have to do is you just have to click on the option over here and change this to high performance. It should not be let Windows decide. Change this to high performance and save. Then just close this and go back to the game and see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. So if it's not fixing, then we just have to close this. Okay, you just have to close this, then quit the game, and you have to launch it once again, and you have to see. And most probably after doing this, I mean running the game on the dedicated graphics card, the issue has to be fixed. And even after that, you just have to see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. But even if it's still not working, then we just have to try the next parallel workaround that you have to do here for the NVIDIA users only. So after setting the game on the dedicated graphics card, over here if you go to the graphics card, after it is all set on the dedicated graphics card, for the NVIDIA users, you just have to follow this instruction. So what you have to do is just have to right click, then you just have to go to show more options and navigate to NVIDIA control panel. Now when you navigate to the NVIDIA control panel, what you have to do is just have to select manage 3D settings. Now go to program setting. Now from here you just have to click on add option. You will be getting, just select this one, add. So here you have to add the Sonic Frontiers. You have to add it. If you are not able to see it, you can just browse it. It is possible to browse. Just click on this one and navigate to this PC like I said above. Just go to program file 86, then scroll down and navigate to Steam. Select Steam apps. If it is not available, select Steam apps. Go to common, then go to Sonic Frontiers, then add from here. But here as you can see, I have already added it. Just add the selected program. Right now this has been set. Now what you have to do is you just have to it is done. So once it is successfully done, it is added over here. As you can see, you just have to go for apply. Okay, you just have to go for apply, and once it is successfully added, that means once the this particular Sonic is being added over here, you have to select a program to customize. So you just have to select the Sonic, then I have to go for add selected program, then go for apply. Once it is successfully done, you just have to close this, then you just have to go to the Sonic, then launch the game, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And this is how we can fix Sonic Frontiers is crashing on graphics menu, or it is crashing on graphics options, or can't change graphics option due to crash, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.